Hello, everyone, and welcome back today. We are going to talk about one simple secret that almost every fluent speaker uses. Even if they do not realize it, it is not about memorizing grammar rules. It is not about learning hundreds of new words. It is something much simpler, yet extremely powerful. It is called the power of repetition. Repetition is the hidden key to fluency. It is how your favorite speakers, teachers, and even native English users trained their brains to speak naturally. And if you understand this one concept deeply, your English speaking journey will completely change. So listen carefully and let us unlock this secret together. Because after today, you will never look at practice the same way again. Why repetition works. When you repeat something, your brain starts to remember it automatically. Your mind learns the rhythm, your tongue learns the movement, and your ears learn the sound. For example, if you take the sentence, "I am learning English every day," and repeat it 10 times, you start to notice something. The sentence becomes smoother. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. You no longer need to think about the words. They simply come out naturally. Try saying with me slowly, "I am learning English every day." Now, again, a little faster. "I am learning English every day." See, it feels easier the second time. That is what repetition does. It removes hesitation and adds confidence. You do not need to memorize grammar rules for every line you speak. You just need to repeat natural sentences many times until your mind and mouth work together. That is the real secret behind fluency. The secret to fluency with examples. Fluency does not come from learning hundreds of new words every day. It comes from using the words you already know again and again until they become a natural part of your speech. Let me give you a simple example. Take a short sentence like, if you say it once, it will sound okay. If you say it 5 times, it will sound better. But if you say it 20 times a day, slowly, clearly, and with meaning, it will start to live in your memory. You will say it without thinking, and that is fluency. You can also take sentences like, "I am feeling great. I had a busy day. It is a beautiful morning." Repeat each of them several times throughout the day. You can say them while walking, cooking, or even looking in the mirror. When you repeat, your tongue learns the movement, your brain builds memory, and your confidence grows naturally. So, repetition is not just practice. It is training. It is like exercising your speaking muscles every single day. Do not worry about sounding repetitive. That is how you build fluency, one small step at a time. How children learn. Think about how children learn their first language. They do not study grammar or read heavy books. They listen and repeat. For example, a child hears, "Give me water." Then they say it again and again, "Give me water." After some time, they no longer think about the words. It becomes natural. You can learn English the same way. Choose one short phrase and repeat it 10 times. You will notice that the next time you need it in real life, it will come out automatically. That is how repetition helps your English grow, just like a child learning to speak. Building confidence every time you repeat a sentence. You build confidence. Let us try this together. Say slowly, I can speak English clearly. Now, again, with a little more energy, I can speak English clearly once more. But with full confidence, I can speak English clearly. See how it feels different now. The more you repeat, the more powerful your voice becomes. Repetition trains your mind not to fear mistakes. It tells your brain, I can do this. That is how you remove hesitation and replace it with confidence. Stop translating. Repetition also helps you stop translating from your native language. When you repeat English sentences often, your brain starts thinking directly in English. Let us try a few examples together. What do you do? Say it again. Where are you from? Now, again, where are you from? At first, you may think in your own language, but after enough repetition, you will not need to translate anymore. You will understand the meaning directly, and that is real fluency. A simple example of daily practice habit. Let us test the power of repetition with one example. Say this sentence with me. Today is a good day. Say it once more. Today is a good day. And again, with a smile, today is a good day. If you repeat this same sentence 10 times today, you will remember it easily tomorrow. After 1 week, it will sound completely natural. After 1 month, it will live in your memory forever. That is how repetition turns simple practice into real confidence. So, if you truly want to improve your conversation, remember this. Do not just learn new words. Repeat the ones you already know. Make repetition your daily habit. Repeat sentences. Repeat questions. Repeat ideas. Each time you repeat, you are training your brain to speak naturally. Soon, you will not just speak English, you will feel English. Thank you for learning with us today. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English conversation lessons. Keep learning, keep repeating, and keep growing every single day.